a video, yeah? Oh, you
Super gift.
I'm doing it now.
What are you pouring there? Another vodka and orange juice.
Oh, Ross.
Here.
Oh, what is this? What else did you do?
You fuckers really look like you're 14 years old, Yes. Marius. Marius. Fuck, let's go take a movie.
14, bro.
You guys.
No way.
Yes, you are. You guys will get carded until you're like fucking 18, Huh?
18, bro.
I know. What the, oh, okay, like 28 then. Super good. Say something. No, just say something.
What must I say?
Do a line. What's that line you said earlier?
We won't even think about it, we'll just die.
No, not that one, you fucker. Just show your eyes. Yes.